Hi, I'm Beth from Book Folding for Beginners and Beyond. And today we're going to talk about how to select the perfect book for book folding. Let's get folding. Here's some examples of books that won't work. First, you don't want to use soft-covered books. They're not going to support the pattern. The next example of a book that would not work great is this book. It's very old. Notice it's very dingy looking. It's very dirty. It's not going to make it for a nice final project. Other things you're going to look out for are photographs. Photographs in books are going to make the pattern really hard to tell. Other than that, you're just going to want to make sure that your book has enough pages for the pattern and that it is the correct number of centimeters. Books are easy to find. You can find them in your attic. You can find them from friends. You can find them at the thrift store, the dollar store. There's lots of places to find books. That should be the easiest part of your project. Happy folding.